Young.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. My question is to the Acting Minister of Energy and Resources and asks, what recent initiatives has the government undertaken to help New Zealanders control the cost of their power bills?
The Honourable Hekia Parata.
Mr Speaker, there are a number of initiatives led by this government to increase competition and drive down costs to New Zealand householders. The What's My Number campaign, launched a fortnight ago by the Electricity Authority, has had an enthusiastic response with over 146,000 visits to its website. In a few quick minutes, the website tells consumers the estimated potential savings available to them by switching electricity retailers, and users can then link to Consumer New Zealand's Power Switch website to organise a switch.
Jonathan Young.
What reports has the Minister received on the savings consumers can make by switching?
The Honourable Hekia Parata.
Mr Speaker, the average saving per customer as a result of switching is estimated to be $150 per year. In some instances, savings by switching can be as much as $600. The average number of switches per month now sits at around 30,000. Under this government, the time it takes to implement a switch has reduced from 8 days in 2008 to just under 4 currently. I am delighted to see so many New Zealanders using this tool to actively manage their household costs and to encourage electricity retailers to offer better deals.
The Honourable David Parker.
Is the Minister aware that average electricity prices have continued to increase rather than decrease following the Commerce Commission investigation report released 21 May 2009, which found substantial overcharging and uncompetitive prices?
The Honourable Hekia Parata.
Mr Speaker, in the just over 2 years since National came to office, prices have risen by less than 14%, and that is including the effect of the emissions trading scheme. During the 9 interminable years under the previous Labour government, average residential electricity prices went up by a massive 72%.
And that brings to a close questions for oral answer. I call on